Your boy OE Capitals once back again with another video. Today's video is going to be talking about how to trade the New York reversal using smart money concept strategy. Now this video here will be breaking down how you can trade the New York session reversals, especially after London session has finished its momentum run. And obviously New York tend to reverse London session. But before we start this video, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, please. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers before the end of the year. I think we're just under 350 subscribers. I know we can do it. Anyways, don't forget to comment NY session below in this video if you watch all the way to the end. And also please share and follow all my social media. It's all going to be in the description below. And without further ado, please, let's get into the video. So just like I said, today's video is going to be showing you guys how you can trade the New York reversal. So before we get onto the charts, I would like to show you guys a live breakdown that I called out on my Instagram, which will be somewhere on the screen here. Make sure you do follow my Instagram, guys. Again, let's get all my followers up to 1,000 followers. That's the aim before the end of the year. But yeah, I called out a live trading breakdown on USDCHF, this currency pair here, and how I expected it to go down. So I'm going to show the video for you guys to see it live, and it's all on my Instagram. When you go on my Instagram, on my highlights, you will see this video is live and it's there. There's no sort of like pre-recorded or anything. This is all live and posted. So let's go on my Instagram and let me show you what happened. So this is the video that I'm about to show you guys when I called out the live breakdown on USDCHF. Let's have a look now. I call this the NY reversal. You see Asian pushes up to the supply zone. You see continuation to the downside. Asian session starts to bring the price up. London session opens up and goes up to the supply zone here. And obviously we're going to enter in New York session, so I'm expecting a push down to at least price push around this area here. So about 6,435. I'm expecting NY to reverse London's price action. And this is literally the aftermath of what happened when I called out this live video. So let's have a look and see what happened. Yes, people, before we continue the video, this is a quick announcement for people who are still haven't followed me on Instagram. I've got a upcoming giveaway going on at the moment. I'm giving away 5 10K accounts. Now, in order to enter with this giveaway accounts, you need to follow my page, you need to follow Contitel funded account, and you need to follow Labs FX account as well. And secondly, you need to like this post as well. Make sure you like this post. You need to share on your story. And last but not least, you need to tag 3 of your favorite traders that you follow on Instagram as well. So the more people participate in this giveaway, the more fun it is, the more we can grow this page, and also the more chances you're able to win this giveaway. So please don't forget to like the post, share on your story, tag 3 of your favorite traders, and follow all these pages listed here. And don't forget to also follow my Instagram if you haven't already, where I post all my content there for for reels, for education wise, tips and tricks to use in the forex market. And also my Telegram page, as you can see, I'm mostly active on there, where I showcase my setups and breakdown and all these sort of things. So if you want to know my day-to-day setups and things that I look on the market, make sure you follow my Telegram. All will be linked in the description. And this boy OE Capitals, back on the charts. Yes, people, now we're back on the charts. Let's go through this live breakdown more in detail so you can see where my analysis came from and how you can apply these same strategies and rules to your day-to-day trading as well. So first of all, let's mark out our swing points so we can see price was clearly in a bearish structure, which is our rule number 1. Always identify the structure you're in. So we can clearly see supply zones are being mitigated and respected. Another supply zone here, you can see that's also respected as well. So we can then mark that as mitigated supply, and then another supply zone here. So let's mark this out for now. So this is our area of supply that we're expecting price to come to. So now obviously we've got some imbalance at the top here, meaning there's some inefficiency in price action. where price, went down, what we call change of character. You see price changes, or break of structure, whatever it is you can call it, which tend to mean is a continuation to the downside, meaning price is definitely likely to push to the supply zone and reverse to the downside. So we've already confirmed two rules of engagement, like where we want to call it. We can see a nice bearish structure, and we can see an imbalance in our current trend, and then we can see some sort of trend line liquidity as well, which is very important, which also tells me that price would definitely want to be coming up to this area of imbalance to mitigate all the stop losses above this area here. So let's see how price did. So this is the Asian session. We can see Asian session starting to build up momentum to the upside. Let's see what Asian session did. So we can see a huge push to the upside with London open up. This is what you call just a momentum break to the upside. Price respecting this supply zone here, which then confirms to me that we're definitely in some sort of a bearish structure. Most importantly, this is a huge imbalance again, which is very, very important. Whenever we see something like a huge spike like this, normally that tends to happen, that price will normally reverse, to mitigate all this inefficiency of price action, because the price works in a structure of like up, down, up, down, up, down. And what this means is this is impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So usually if we apply that same rules to here, we expect once the impulse has happened, we need a correction to to mitigate all this impulse here during the London session, and which happens that this London session gives us a huge impulse to the upside to our supply zone, which then confirms and obviously held strongly. As we can see, price failed to break past the supply zone, which confirms that the supply zone is quite strong enough. And then we can start to look for some areas where we can enter a sell to our next potential demand zone. Now I've got it highlighted here, as you can see now. So if I slow this a bit down, so we can sort of this is where I think I showed my thing here. So we can see that price has been not giving much more volume in terms of movement. As you can see here, once price came to supply zone, we can tell momentum slow down. There's no huge candles pushing to the upside or attempting to break past this some zone that we have as our supply. So this tells me that price is definitely going to move to the downside at some point. And also I believe when we was in this period, we had also NFP coming out, or some sort of fundamental news regarding the average hourly salary or the non-farm payroll and unemployment. All of these were coming out as well. So this definitely worked in favor with the fundamentals and technicals aligning with each other, which is very, very important. That's something I can sort of break down in another video. It's very important to always have your technicals always match in line with the fundamentals. That way you're following the market. And then this is where I fully believe that price was going to sort of push to the downside. Whenever you have an engulfing candle like this, where the the bearish candle, like you can see here, mitigates this candle, this usually tells me that price is most likely going to push to the downside. And obviously we've got other rules that that sort of back up with what's happening in the current market. So therefore this is looking like a very favorable setup in our favor. And just like that, I believe price, when the news came out, obviously it was quite it was not favorable to the US dollar, so therefore it caused a decline in the USD currency. So just have a look and see what price did, and just like that, we have a huge push to our demand zone here that I've highlighted. And just like that, it's a nice 3RR trade. So if you risk 1%, you would have made 3% in this trade within less than about, I think, literally just within 15 minutes you would have made 3% of your just risking 1% of your account. So this is how knowing how the technicals work and applying it with what fundamentals can be a huge hedge to your account, and obviously increasing your probabilities of winning and reducing your probabilities of losing in the market. So yeah, so the summary of this video, guys, is first of all, understand your structure you're in, very, very important. 2, always identify and find inefficiencies in your structure So for example, an imbalance here, trendline liquidity, which is very important, and also a nice break of structure or change of character. These are little things that does give us high confluence and high conviction that we are looking at a right setup, or the setup is likely to go in our favor. And also we always want to make sure that when price comes into our supply zone or demand zone, whatever market you're looking at, we always want to make sure it respects that supply zone that we have as our key point of area of interest. So that way we can then have a nice conviction that price is most likely to push down or push up, depending on our setup we have going on for ourselves. So, but yeah, I think this should be, give you guys a nice edge in the market and help you move forward to how to trade in your reversal. Now, above with you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. Like I said, comment NY session in the comment section below, so I know you enjoyed this video and watch all the way to the end. Please also follow my Instagram. Join my Telegram group as well. We've got over 150 people in there. It's a free group where I showcase my trades and live trades, and help you guys with any questions that you got. Please send them my way through Instagram or comment in the comment section. I read all my comments. And please, let's get this channel to 500 subscribers. And also follow me on my Instagram. Let's get my Instagram to 1,000 followers as well. And yeah, just keep sharing and keep supporting the channel, so that I can keep on giving value to you guys as well. Now, without further ado, your boy ON Capitals, and I'm out. Peace.